Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Destiny and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to go ahead and start working with the logout functionality. And in this one, a user is going to be able to click on a button and they're going to log out as easy as that. And this video is going to be pretty short and easy because the logout functionality is going to be a simple one that we're going to be doing using a built-in Django view. So make sure to drop a like, consider subscribing if you want to see more videos like this. Check out the link in the description if you want to get a template. And yeah, that's going to be it. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is open up my code editor from over here. We've been working on that from the last one. And what I'm going to be working on is going to be pretty much almost the same thing as this one. So what I'm going to do is down here, I'm just going to create a new path. And for this one, it's going to be sign out. Okay, and there's going to be a slash over there. Now, I need to say auth views. This one is going to be called logout view. Then we're going to say .as_view. And in here, we need to pass in the template underscore name. But this one now is totally up to you if you want to pass in the template name. That's if you actually need to actually go to a template, like the name of the template whenever you log a user out. That one is totally up to you. If you don't want, you could just keep that. Whenever a user logs out, it's automatically going to send them to the sign-in page, you know, something like that. But I'm just going to pass in auth/sign-out.html. And over here, I think that's going to be it. Now, just at the back of this place, I'm going to say name should be equal to sign-out. And I think we are even done already. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a comma over there in case we're going to be putting a URL. Now, what I simply want to do is I'm going to come over to the index. So I'm going to come over to the index and I'm going to look for sign out. Okay, this is it over there. That's it, the sign out. Now I'm going to look for this one over here and I simply want to put in the URL tag and I'm going to paste the sign out. Okay, so now I'm going to come over to my website over here and refresh, and I think I'm still logged in. So now if we hover on this, as you can see, that's where it's going to send us to. So I'm going to go ahead and sign out, and as you can see, it says template does not exist. Okay, but I want to go ahead and send the user to the sign-in page whenever they sign out. That's because whenever a user sign out, the next thing that they might want to do is go ahead and sign in again, right? So I'm just going to duplicate that link, and this one I'm going to say logout redirect URL, and for the logout redirect URL, we want to send them to the login, to the sign-in page. Okay, so now I think that should be it. Now I'm just gonna refresh this. What do you notice? Now we are here. So if I go ahead and sign in, as you can see, we signed in successfully, and we come over here and sign out. What do you notice? We are in the logout page. We can go ahead and create a new user from the sign up over here. I'm gonna go ahead and create a new user, and I'm going to go ahead and hit sign up. Now what do you notice? We created a new account, and from over here I'm just going to close this off, and I'm going to go ahead and sign out. So as you can see, that's working pretty much well, and that's just one of the easiest way to write simple sign out functionality. In the next video, we're going to go ahead and start working with something else. To make sure to drop a like, consider subscribing, as it really mean the world to me. And until the next video, mad love, peace out.